Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Begin on clean, dry skin. Remove makeup and oil using a gentle cleanser, rinse, and pat skin dry. Dispense a nickel-sized dollop of Vaseline Gluta Hya Sunscreen, about 1/4 teaspoon, for the face area only. Warm the product between fingertips for 5 to 10 seconds to make it spreadable. Smooth it across the forehead, cheeks, nose, chin, and neck in thin, even layers until you see a uniform film. Allow the sunscreen to settle and wait 15 minutes before sun exposure. Dot Vaseline Gluta Hya Sunscreen on 5 points. Forehead, both cheeks, nose, and chin. Include the neck as a 6th point for coverage. Gently spread product outward and upward using light, broad strokes so you avoid tugging delicate skin. Pay special attention to the hairline, ears, and under the jaw. For eyelids, use a thin layer and keep product away from the waterline. If you plan to apply makeup, wait about 2 minutes for the sunscreen to set into a dry, non-greasy finish. Maintain protection by reapplying Vaseline Gluta Hya Sunscreen every 2 hours while outdoors and immediately after swimming, heavy sweating, or toweling. Use the same 1/4 teaspoon face amount for each reapplication. At the end of the day, remove sunscreen with a gentle oil-based remover or warm water and a mild cleanser, double cleansing if you wore makeup. Follow with your regular nighttime moisturizer. If product gets into the eyes or causes stinging or
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.